sprinkle,
that pie soup.
see how they sprinkled a little bit, the dark one? That's from the water you put on.
All right.
Okay, push, give that a, yeah, there it is.
Oh.
That's all right.
They're cool.
Yeah, we're gonna let them cool. I'm gonna open, this is my instant cool system.
This time of year, I bet it works good.
Yep. And fast. Lovely. All righty, when they cool, we'll bring them in.
Then we can enjoy
How
it.
about that, Sam?
You made cookies.
Pretty nice.
What kind of cookies did you and I make? What did we make?
Chocolate chip and the circle
Pinwheel?
pinwheel.
Ooh.
We used to make icebox cookies, didn't we?
Those are nice.
Mm-hmm.
Those are
Easy.
good. I would give you some grape juice right now, however, after it takes time, I should put the grape juice.
Hey, Sammy.